Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Fiesta Petrol cap. First, locate the fuel flap, usually on the passenger side of your vehicle. Before proceeding, ensure your car is completely unlocked. The release mechanism for the fuel cap is found inside the car, often near the driver's seat or dashboard. This internal placement ensures security and prevents unauthorized access to your fuel tank, keeping your fuel safe. Once inside your Ford Fiesta, look for a small lever or button typically situated on the floor or lower dashboard, close to the driver's door. This is your fuel flap release. Give it a firm pull or press, and you should hear a clear click indicating the flap has unlatched. Now, head outside and gently push the fuel flap to swing it open, revealing the fuel cap itself. It's a straightforward process designed for convenience. With the fuel flap open, you'll see the actual fuel cap. To remove it, turn the cap counterclockwise. You'll feel it loosen and eventually come free. Many Ford Fiesta models have a small holder on the inside of the fuel flap where you can safely place the cap while you refuel. This prevents it from getting lost or damaged. After refueling, remember to use the correct fuel type for your engine. After you've finished refueling, screw the fuel cap back on by turning it clockwise. You should hear several clicks, indicating it's securely tightened. Then, simply push the fuel flap closed until it latches firmly into place. If you ever have trouble, ensure your car is fully unlocked. Sometimes a quick check of the owner's manual can also help. And for those looking to enhance their home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.